Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair and to our second anniversary celebration. I cannot believe it's been 2 years. And I have to say thank you to all of you. I have enjoyed getting to know you through the comment section of videos and through the private Facebook group. And I feel so lucky to be part of this community. And I just want to say thank you for allowing me to do something I love for a job and for supporting Frannie's Hair. And from all of us at Frannie's Hair, we want to say thank you to you. So what we're doing for our anniversary celebration is we're going to have a ton of specials and sales, and I won't even be mentioning all of them in this video, so make sure you head over to frannieshair.com to check them out. But what I plan to do in this video is to show you some of my favorite wigs from each of the brands and then tell you about the specials for that brand. I'm going to start out with one of my new favorite wigs, and by the way, this is not going to be a review. I'm just going to show you what I'm loving right now. Okay, so I'm going to kick it off with Belle Tress and one of my new favorite wigs. If you saw me do the review on the 3 icon wigs I showed, I fell in love with this little lady right away, and I said I'm keeping her. This is Bradshaw in Cool Chai Blonde Rooted. Such a pretty color. All right, I'm just going to spin, show you the style, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the sale. Isn't she pretty? I love it. So right now for Belle Tress, we have 30% off. Plus, if you use the code HAPPY during checkout, you'll get an extra little bonus. So don't forget to do that. I'm going to switch into another Belle Tress wig that's one of my favorites, and you've probably seen it before, but I just want to show it to you. Okay, this is another one of my Belle Tress favorites. Who knows what this one is? I'm going to spin for you and show you while you take a guess. Did you figure it out? This is Alicante in Macadamia Latte Rooted. I love this style. It's a great length. It's easy throw on and go when I want to run errands. And I have had so many people try on this wig with all different face shapes, and it looks great on so many people. So I just wanted to show that to you as well. All right, let's move to the next brand. Okay, I've been wearing this wig a lot lately, and I get a lot of compliments in it. I'll give you a hint. It's from TressAllure. I'm going to spin while you figure out which one it is. Such a great style. Did you figure it out? It's Euro Chic in EL 12228. And what I love about the EL color is that it has this lighter highlight in the front, so it kind of brightens up your face. TressAllure is 40% off for our anniversary, which is a great deal in and of itself. And then there's going to be a raffle for 3 prizes. With a purchase of a TressAllure wig, you get a free entry to the raffle. The grand prize winner will get a TressAllure synthetic wig in the style and color of their choice. And the 2 runner-up prizes are accessory kits that include a shampoo, a conditioner, a finishing mist, a foldable wig stand, and a wig brush. And I'll put a picture of that accessory kit up here so you can see it. And if you're curious to see some more TressAllure styles, don't forget I've done a ton of reviews on them, so you can check those out. All right, let's move to the next brand. Okay, the next brand is Jon Renau, and I'm going to be showing you 2 of my favorite wigs because it has to do with the giveaway. I'm not going to tell you which this is first. Try to figure it out while I spin. If you guessed Cameron Light, you're right, and this is in the color 56F51. Jon Renau is 30% off right now, and there's a gift with purchase. It's called a softie. I'm going to show you a picture of one here. Also, there's going to be a raffle of 2 of my favorite Jon Renau wigs. This is one, Cameron Light. I'm going to show you the other. You can probably guess it even before I put it on because I've worn it so many times and talked about it so much, but I'm going to go get it on for you now. Did you guess that this is the wig I was going to put on? I have shown this wig so much. This is Jon Renau's iconic Ignite in shaded mocha. I'm going to spin for you and then we'll go over the deal again. I just love this back. Jon Renau is 30% off, plus you get the gift with purchase, the softie that I mentioned. I'll put the picture up here again. And we're going to have a raffle of two of my favorite Jon Renau wigs, Cameron Light and Ignite. The winner of the raffle will get their choice of which wig in whichever color they want. And you get a free entry to the raffle with every purchase of a Jon Renau wig. Okay, before we move on, I wanted to let you know that we're going to have an inventory blowout sale on our open box wigs. I know so many of you go Thursday morning when the new ones go up to check and see what's there. This is going to be a great sale. I'm going to show you two wigs from our open box section. This is Portrait Mode by Raquel Welch. I'll spin for you. Great style. And she's in the color Sunlit Chestnut. Hopefully you can see that there. Let me put on the other one for you. And this is Smooth Cut Bob by TressAllure in the color 2730 33H. Another great style. In addition to our great inventory blowout sale, we're having a buy more, save more option. So you'll actually get progressively larger discounts as you buy more. What you do at checkout is for 2 open box wigs, put in the code OPENBOX2. If you buy 3 open box wigs, put in the code OPENBOX3. And if you buy 4 or more wigs, put in the code OPENBOX4. It's the perfect time to score some really great deals, so make sure you go check out the open box section. Okay, next we're moving on to Raquel Welch. Can you guess this wig? You may have seen my recent review of her. This is Waves and Raves in the color Shaded Honey Pecan. Raquel Welch is 30% off for the anniversary, and we're having a raffle. The winner will get a synthetic Raquel Welch wig of their choice in the color of their choice. You'll get a free entry with every purchase of a Raquel Welch wig. Okay, now let's talk about Ellen Wille. I love this little lady and I love this color. I've worn this color many times in different wigs. I'm going to spin while you try to guess. How adorable is she? I love this little wave here. It reminds me of the old glamorous movie stars. This is Destiny in Tobacco Lighted. For our anniversary, Ellen Wille is 30% off, and there's going to be a raffle. The winner will get their choice of any Ellen Wille synthetic wig in the color of their choice, and you will get a free entry with every Ellen Wille wig purchase. Okay, so that's just some of the great deals we have going on over at frannieshair.com for our anniversary. I'm going to put a link in the description below that'll take you to a page that'll tell you about all the great deals happening, so make sure you check that out. And again, I just want to say thank you so much. These past 2 years have been so much fun. I've enjoyed getting to know you all, and I love being on this journey with you. And I can't tell you how grateful we all are at Frannie's Hair for your support. So thank you again, and happy shopping, and I will see you soon.